In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix dev error 5820 in Modern Warfare 3. So, this error occurs when you attempt to start a private match in Modern Warfare 3, and it's very annoying. And when it should happen is right after you press start match, and it will kick the entire lobby back to the main menu after a short time period when the screen is frozen, okay? So that's what it happens, and if it happens to you, that means we're going to try to fix it right now. And here are all the possible fixes. Now, firstly, I've been able to do it. I've been able to actually fix this issue by restarting my game, okay? Now, of course, this is a short-term solution and it will only work for the time being, and it's not a permanent solution, and you'll definitely get the dev error again sometime later, okay? So we're gonna switch to these other fixes that will hopefully fix the game for you forever. Now, you can try switching hosts in the private match, and probably this is the most effective solution you can try, and it actually worked for me very well, and I've actually tried, and I'm actually doing this right now while playing the game all the time, so I often switch hosts and we don't have any problems usually, okay? So if you're in a private match with another player or more players, let them host and start the match. Simply switch hosts and that's it. And this will often help your lobby avoid the dev error. As I said, it's the most common fix I go to and it works for me very well. Now, you can also try to brute force the private match, which means that simply you have to repeatedly attempt to start the private match. So when you get the error, simply start again, you get the error again, start again, and so on and so forth. Now, for me, after third or fourth try, or usually fifth or sixth, you'll be able to prevent the dev error from occurring and basically start the match finally, okay? This, of course, is another workaround and it's quite annoying, but if you want to play the game, you'll have to do it, sadly. We also have another option of switching the private match settings. Now, this will include reducing the numbers of bots in the lobby, leaving the match timer unchanged, and switching the map and mode, okay? So we can try switching all that I just read over here, and this could also fix your dev error. And the last thing you can try doing, if you are playing the Modern Warfare 3 on Steam, which I'm not, as you'll be able to see, you can try verifying your game files on Steam, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So, I don't have the Modern Warfare 3 on my Steam account, but I'll show you on another game because it's the same process. Now, once in Steam, you want to go to Library up here, look for your Modern Warfare 3 game, and simply click on it, and then right-click on the game, and click Properties. In here, you want to select Installed Files on the left, and then press over here the third option, Verify integrity of game files. This will scan all your files of the game on your computer, and if there were any errors or any kind of bad files in there, it will replace them and install those files again and fix your game issues. Now, this only takes a few seconds if there's no errors. However, if Steam finds some errors, it may take up to a few minutes, but it's very quick and efficient, okay? And it may help you as well. So, that's pretty much it. Just press this button, it will do so automatically, and you're set. You can then try launching your game or restarting your computer before you do that and see if that fixed the issue. So, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.